Hi, Kali. Good morning, Kali.
Yeah. Wow. Big pumples.
Takes a while.
No, I mean, look at that. Very healthy for the plump. It's a lot.
So I brought 2 bags, so I'm sure one would be enough.
Sawa ko, nagmumo ulit. Oh, yeah. Hi. Saturday. Magpuputol pala ako dito, guys. Okay, mahaba na naman. Wala na sa shape. Puputulin natin siya. What? It's Saturday. So, sila maglilinis, guys. Reality show, guys. In the morning, wala gini siya panudlay. So, we're getting ready. I'm ready. We're going to shop today, guys. Grocery shopping. Not shopping na clothes shopping. Grocery shopping lang naman. And our OOTD for today's video. Nanonood ng movie yung kids kaya hindi ako makapag-vlog sa labas. So anyway, I'm using the bag that Mom Ami gave me. Kahapon lang namin binuksan to, guys. I'm so grateful. Bakit ako nag-shade? Anyway, yeah, this one is very cute. I already said this yesterday na sobrang cute niya talaga. Sobrang perfect. So, first time ko siyang gagamitin. And Ma'am Ami, thank you so much. This is really cute. Yung mga anak ko, nang nakita nila tong bag na to, like, sobrang cute niya talaga, look. And this, one of the brand na gusto ko rin, sana, pero hindi ko mabili-bili eh. I mean, like, I don't want to spend money for a bag. Like, sobrang salamat po talaga kasi Ma'am Ami yung nagbigay sa akin ng 3 signature bag. I'm telling you guys, hindi pa ako bumibili ng signature bags. And then, even tinatanong ako na sa ako, gusto ko bang bumili? I'm like, kasi ayoko talaga mag-spend ng money for just one item. And then sobrang mahal siya sa akin. Mahal siya para sa akin, guys. But then here we go. She gave me this. Thank you very much, Ma'am Ami. This is Michael Kors. Sobrang cute. I'm sure I'll be using this one more than the 2 other bags that Ma'am Ami gave me because this one is just something I love using because aside from its maliit, compact, or ano tawag nito? Like, ano bang tawag nito? Meron siyang strap like this one pag nag-grocery or even going to church or even like lalabas kami ni Belle. This is just a very small, I don't know if you call this a bag or you call this a purse. I don't know. Basta, parang easy to bring back. Like, konti lang yung malalagay mo like phone, power bank, lipstick, mirror, suklay, and my camera as well. I can put it here. That's it. And that's what I need. Yung malaking bags ni Ma'am Ami, like, sobrang nagaganda din ako sa 2 bag na yon. Sobra. Yung Coach bag na binigay niya sa akin, malaki siya. So, pang doon niya. But this one, super cute lang talaga niya. I love it. Thank you so much. I always say this. Thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Always po. Thank you. This one is just waiting for me. And then yung mga bata, iwan namin sila dito, guys. And then si Ma'am nasa room niya. I think nag-nap siya. 3:14 in the afternoon. So, diba? Gubot ang yung aming closet kasi dyan nalagay yung wifi. And then kahapon, wala kaming signal, guys. Wala kaming signal kagabi. Until this morning. And then yung asawa ko, naiinis na kasi kailangan niya ng internet. So, nag-fix siya kanina. That's why merong doon. Like yung stair thing. Magchinilas na lang. Where's my slipper? Why are you hiding your bags? I'm not filming you. I'm filming myself. Bibilhan din pala namin si Ma'am kasi meron siyang mga list na gusto niya sa kanyang grocery. So here, pupunta kami, Sam's kami, guys. Sam's kasi kami lagi pumupunta pag nag-grocery. Yash, kami kaon, Yash. Kaon na, Yash. Ano naman itong binili nitong isang to? What are you getting? Para exercise na naman yan, for sure. Basta.
It's a box.
Box? Or box. Box. Why do you need box?
You know what a box is?
I know what box is, but oh, that's nice. I can use this one.
Yeah.
Like
I'll
you can jump, right? Like then jump to the box and back, and then jump to the box, right?
Yeah.
Sige. At the end of the day, akin naman lahat to. Akin naman lahat.
When you get really good, you can step up on the box and throw a kick.
What? How can you do that? It's that big box. Do you have to like install it now? Or going to buy grocery na? Ang init, guys. Grabe na mga investment sa mga training and everything. How I can keep this? You think one? Well, I'm wearing jeans. Wow, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. If you find me. Oh yeah, they're working on that side na. Oh, very cute talaga itong bag na to. Thank you, Ma'am Ami. Thank you very much. Nag-change na ako, guys. Nagsuot ako ng jacket kasi ang lamig kanina sa loob. And I'm sure sa store, mamaya lalamigin na naman ako. So, kahit mainit sa labas, I'd rather wear jacket. Siguro sobrang weird tingnan. I mean, like other people would think na ano ba itong babaeng to nagsusuot ng jacket. Mainit naman sa labas. It's good. Okay, we're doing groceries. Instead of Sam's, we go here in H-E-B. Mas malapit kasi H-E-B, guys. So, we are done here in H-E-B. Yung asawa ko, naiinis na. But yeah, we're going to Sam's, guys. Kasi yung binili namin dito, guys, for mom only. Dami niya kasing pinapabili. Naiinis na itong isa. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog masyado inside kasi ang daming tao. As in. Pero iuwi namin itong mga binibili namin and then we will be going to Sam's. Nicole, come here! Come here to your home. Nicole, I have a surprise for you. Where is Ate Nicole? Come on na. Close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3. Open. Jackfruit. Na-miss niya yung jackfruit. Guys. Nadaot. Ano bang dugay kayo? Wala kaugnang ka, guys. Oh my gosh. Very sweet.
You know, dapat mo na...
Ako niya ha?
Makalus biya na, wait.
Ako niya ha?
Ay!
I-ref na ako. What? Kabog na.
So, imoon.
I'll be putting this away.
So, imoon.
Kasi alis kami ng asawa ko. Ulit. Ha? You don't need ganiwa pa. You're not even hot. Kamusta ang langka? Ha? You wanna go to the Philippines na? Mukha kang daghang nangka. Marang na po ng cravings. Grabing cravings to, guys. Wala dito sa US yung cravings nito. Marang, nangka, unsa pa? Ano pa?
Balimbing.
Balimbing. 6:17 in the afternoon, evening na actually. So, kulayan ko lang yung aking buhok. Hindi ako sure kung babalik pa kami or pupunta kaming Sam's kasi yung asawa ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, next time na lang tayo puntang Sam's. Kasi kailangan niya mag-rest, guys. Pagod yan. Laging pagod yung asawa ko, na-stress. Na-stress siya sa mama niya. Ay, nako. Ewan ko na lang. Ay, sobrang soft talaga ng hair. Alam niyo ba, guys, yung ginamit ko na conditioner ba? I think I'm gonna buy shampoo din. Yung binili ko nung nakaraan, ang pangalan yan? Nexus? Hindi ko alam kung available siya sa Pinas. Sobrang ganda niya talaga. Worth it. Worth it na binili. Ako lang gumagamit, yung mga anak ko hindi. Iba yung brand nila kasi like, yung buhok ko kasi parang ang bilis mag-oily ng hair ko, guys, honestly. So, like, I was like looking for something na yung hindi dry pero like soft and di ko alam kung paano i-explain pero yung hindi naman sobrang dry pero soft yung buhok. Sobrang ganda niya. Nexus. Ito guys, ang ganda. Nexus. This one. Ay, basa sa ilalim. This one, sobrang ganda niya. Ganito, oh, meron silang shampoo nito. I think they also have different meron yung violet or purple color din na nakita ko on gray, but I got the white one. I think I'm gonna buy the shampoo. Uy, akong panty na bilis. Oh my gosh. Community. Iwan sa floor. Carrot cake, please. We are in Sam's. May this one.
This one's fresh.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you. That one I tried already, but that one I like. Guys, we use this all the time. Pag nag-grill kami ng burger. This one is really good. Why? This one, you will make it yourself. Cut, diba? Hindi siya mura, ha? This one?
That's organic.
This one. There's 3. Okay. Because I love this one with garlic and bell pepper.
Sandwich meat, turkey, ham.
I don't eat them. But we need cheese. I think we need more cheese. Ay, wow, this is bacon.
For that price, it should.
Shredded cheese. That one is your favorite. You always eat that. Yung asawa ko, hinahanap yung ginger ale ni ma'am kasi hindi namin nabili kanina sa HEB. Pero parang wala dito, guys. Usually, yung mga drinks na dito is soda. I think they don't have that. And then, popcorn na lang. Last na talaga popcorn. Hindi ko alam saan yung popcorn dito. We just got home from Sam's. Ito yung binili namin kanina, guys. Hindi kami bumili ng sobrang marami. Just, like, cravings and stuff. Anyway, binili na ako ng asawa ko ng flower. Beautiful. I was like, nakita ko kanina and like, that's so pretty. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, guys. No, dalawang kulay yan. Like, red and yellow all together. And sabi ko, I'm gonna plant the stem. You think maybe it's gonna grow. Ha! Bless me. Sana mag-grow siya. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Beautiful. What else do we have here? So, yung plano namin, bibili kaming popcorn. Yung popcorn talaga, mais talaga ba, guys? Wala man sa Sam's. Walang popcorn sa Sam's. They have popcorn, but it was different. Popcorn.
Okay, so they don't like that popcorn. Okay.
No. I'm not saying we don't like the popcorn, babe. I'm just saying that we are used to popcorn like the corn.
Well, they didn't have any.
I don't know how to explain. Wala sila sa Sam's eh. And then we got, this is grocery haul. And then this one, our favorite, both of us. na chocolate. And we got cheddar. The orange cheddar. Yung asawa ko, mahilig talaga siya sa cheese. He ate this one with biscuits or crackers. Tawag na dito, crackers. Ayun na, nagluto na ng popcorn. And then, yeah. Beef, ground beef. And then, ito yung burger natin. And then, we also got, ito yung binili namin kanina instead of pork chop. Ang bigat nito. Pork Boston butt. Lubos
Boston
ni
butt.
Bed. This is from the butt. It's dirty. It's from the butt. 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 Your butt. I knew it. You have intention. That's, and then, kasi yung anak ko guys, mahilig talaga. Like, sometimes pag gabi, kumakain kami ng ramen. So, got this one, and an egg, and then crackers, pizza. Meron kaming pizza dito since gusto ng mga bata yung pizza talaga. And then, it's expensive to buy ba na pizza sa, bumili kami. This box has 3 pizzas inside. So, I think we have to freeze this one. I think dapat i-freeze. We have to put the freezer. Popcorn na nga siya. And then, Oreo. And then, meron tayo. Ito, famous dito eh. Ay, ang tawag niya ay Famous Amos. Wale. Wale. This one needs to be freeze, right? This one, all of these. Babe, this one needs to be freeze. This Activa needs to be freeze.
Needs to be what?
This one needs to be freeze. I mean.
It needs to be in the refrigerator, yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think that's the one that you brought in the Philippines. Yeah. Really like that one. I'm sure. Ayun na. Binigay na nga sa mga kids. Binigay niya sa mga bata yung binigay niya sa mga bata yung popcorn. Do you like it?
She puts cheddar. She's like cheddar.
Wow, ka-arty-arty.
Kind of like cheddar. It's like cheddar.
Cheddar. Ay, meron pala akong ano guys. Yung aking favorite. Carrot cake, of course. Favorite ko yung carrot cake. It's been a long time. So, tayong cravings. Paminsan-minsan lang yan kasi ano ba? Distress. Stevia yogurt. Flavor? Oh. You're talking about the movie there, diba? That's the one.
Yeah, that's movie.
Are we gonna watch a movie?
Damn.
Put this flower in the vase. Ow. Maganda yung flower nila dito, guys, kasi meron silang pa ganito. Meron silang pa ganito, guys, parang pang ano ng pang ano sa flower ba? Pang bukhan. Pang bukhan ba tawag dito? Flower food. Gusto kong tanggalin yung ibang stem. Kasi yung plano ko, guys, itanim ko. Tanggalin ko yung stem, tapos itanim ko yung But I don't know. Maybe hindi na to gagana. I'm not sure though. But let's say. Look. Ooh, perfect. Diyan natin siya ilagay, guys. Kami ako, kalubato na, guys. Let's do unboxing. Kasi meron akong binili from Amazon, guys. Ito naman yung kailangan ko sa aking garden tool. Ay, good. Marami. This one. And then, ito naman kasi meron akong seedling dito na strawberry seeds. Actually, strawberry seeds na kailangan ko na siyang itanim. And then, hindi ko pa natanim kasi wala akong perfect na soil ba tawag niya. So, yung binili ko, guys. This one. Ito yung mga, parang, yung lagyan mo lang siya ng tubig and then mag-i-expand siya ba. This one. Here. Ganito. So, gagamitin ko siya for my seeds. And this one, lalaki ko siya, guys. As in, marami siya. Madami siya. But, hindi ko muna siya gagamitin kasi mamaya pa. Kasi mainit sa labas. Mamayang hapon na. Tama. Okay, there we go. Look, namukad siya. It looks like this. How nice. Diba yung color niya? Dalawang color. Parang lava. And then yellow. Nice. I love it. Sana tutubo yung tinanim ko, guys. Hopefully, I like this color.